Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Many of you have asked me how to draw black background, so in this video I will explain 3 easy ways to draw a black background. Watch till the end. Let's start with the first square and use soft charcoal from Faber-Castell. And laying it down on the paper. And using my fingers to blind it. Or use Beauty Blender to blind it. For the next square, use the same method as in the first square, but with the addition of some water using the paintbrush over the charcoal. For the last square, use soft charcoal powder and baby oil, and mix them together, until it gives us an acrylic-like mixture. As we can see, these are the 3 methods that are usually used, and most of them are the last method because it gives a smooth and blacker surface and makes the drawing stand out more. There are many ways to make a black background. If you want a second part, tell me in a comment. Thanks for watching.